In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Jira. First, go to one of your projects. Then at the top, click on the Forms tab. Here you'll see a variety of form templates to choose from, like feature request, bug report, incident report, technical reviews, and change request. Select one that best fits your needs. You can change the issues type form, and if you need to make adjustments, you can add fields from the right panel or remove one that you don't need. Once your form is set up, you can click Preview to see how it looks. If you'd prefer to start from scratch, you can go back and click on Blank Form. Then select an issue type. From here, you can fully customize the form. You can rename the form title, edit field names, and add new fields as needed. You can also make any field required to ensure it's filled out. When you're done making changes, you can preview your form to double-check everything. And that's it. That's how you create and customize a form in Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.